goodness.
Ta-da!
Oh, she's beautiful though. She's so beautiful.
Check with a cutthroat razor, and I would listen to Erasure. Yeah, I think I'll sail the 7 seas, because the sea is the place for me. I would shout land ahoy, 'cause I'm the sailor boy. I drink rum all night, 'cause I'm living the pirate life.
So today is the day. Papageno going to the boatyard. You're good. Perfect. Don't worry about me. You're good. You're good. Good morning. This is the last day on Papageno for 2018. It's a really surreal feeling, and I don't know. We've come so far, and oh no, I'm just really proud of all of us. And I get to take Leela home today. Well, I take her back to France, and then England on the 17th. And now, the last thing I need to do is do the thing that I've been putting off for so long, is the automatic bilge pump. So still carrying on cleaning everything. What we're doing now for Papageno is making sure all the food is all sealed or thrown away, making sure all the shelves are empty in case anyone does move in, bathroom likewise, cockpit will be cleared out, everything will be bleached and clean before we go. And so I bought an automatic bilge pump, but Holly's just turned up and recommended a float switch. So Holly's installing a float switch for the boat, and we just had a steal, didn't we? We got a float switch for $11.60, and it works. There's an amazing second-hand store in the Chandley in the boatyard, and we raced across to try and get something, and then look at it, €11 for a float switch. So Holly's helping me out doing that while I try and shut everything down. But it feels like I'm climbing a mountain.
Oh. Alright guys, we're just kidding. Don't buy $11 float switches because it tried to catch the boat on fire. We have a new one. This is another adventure spare. Another adventure color and everything.
We're very grateful that Papageno is not going to burn into flames. Holly connected it, and then smoke just started coming from the wires.
Yeah, they were old, corroded wires.
Damn it.
Yeah.
I mean, she needs a whole new, like, wiring refit, and I think she would have just burnt to a cinder.
Well, the wires in the bilge pump is what was smoking. Was there?
Yeah.
Yucky.
It needs all redone. Jesus. Okay.
Put some zip ties to mount this down there to the hoses. Oh!
So those who don't know what a bilge pump is, Holly, would you care to?
Well, the bilge pump is in there, and it sucks the water out and goes out, which we need to eventually put a check valve down here too, so it can't come back in. But the flow switch is a little floaty thing in here, and whenever the water comes up, whoop, the bilge pump comes on. And the water goes down, the bilge pump goes off. And more importantly, there's no fire.
No fire, and the boat won't sink.
It's very important. No water, no fire.
So this is see you later, Papageno. Until we come back. It feels very, very strange. How do you feel, Laura? You lovely sweaty mess.
I just boarded her up, the boudoir.
Say goodbye to the boudoir.
Yes.
Oh, the fun we had.
I know.
What's your top favourite place that you've been to?
Montserrat. The day after the...
Yeah, the day after, that was the best thing.
Yeah, it was so good.
What's
Hanging
the
with locals.
favourite thing that you've eaten in the Caribbean?
I don't know, that's hard, isn't it?
Vibration? I mean, you haven't eaten vibration. Oh dear. Oh no. I meant like that vegan, vegan thing. What?
That place in Guadeloupe was really good, the African...
Oh my god, that was really good.
Yeah, that was delicious.
What was your favourite day or experience?
I think maybe hiking in Guadeloupe was really good, going to that beautiful waterfall.
Yeah.
Lila, it's the first time in a big forest. Yeah. My favourite moment was steering Papageno for the first time, listening to Bob Marley, but then suddenly it was like, stop the music, stop the music! And the engine was smoking. But that was still, in that like half an hour, riding those waves, I was like, this is the best moment of my life so far.
What have you learnt from being on the boat? About yourself or life or anything?
I think I've learned that simplicity is the best way. I've learned that I love the outdoors, and I found a new passion, well, I say passion, something that I'm going to start and put effort into learning more about sailing. I've learned about living in small space with people, and really though, and I've lived in campuses before, but this is very small.
This very small.
So, you know, how to diffuse situations and how to always keep a positive atmosphere is really important.
Exactly.
Yes.
We just want to say thank you to Laura for all her cooking on board as well.
Thank you.
Yes, it's been lovely having you. You'll always be Papageno crew, Laura.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so we are saying goodbye, and it feels very, very, very surreal to say goodbye to Papageno. But time's come to have a bit of a break, and it's not goodbye, it's see you later. We'll be back very, very soon in January. So yeah, it's been a huge evolution of character. I didn't realise things would go this direction, but you know, everything happens for a reason, and we've got to think about that. But yeah, I'm just very grateful to have experienced this journey with these people. It's time for a new adventure there in England. We'll let you know how this goes. All the best. Say goodbye, Laura. Until next time, you're going to see her in England.
Yes, with Leela. And
It's Laura's room locked. Now, here's for this one. Bye, Papageno. See you soon, baby. Bye, Papageno. Love you. See you in 2019. You're gonna have your beautiful masks.
Un, deux,
Duh.
trois.
There we go. Swah. Up for the best, shall we, love?
Oh gosh, I've got a cleat up my bum.
A cleat up your...
Buttocks. Are we in?
Yeah, we're in. That's just gonna...
It's gonna have to do,
It's
isn't
gonna
it?
have to do. Hello! Be safe, baby. Mwah. Should I take the key out the ignition?
How do you feel, Captain Elizabeth?
I feel nervous, anxious and relieved at the same time, and quite emotional about the entire thing. But it's good, I just didn't realise that it would be going quite like this, but I'm actually really excited about what me and you are going to be doing in England, and exploring and being with Leela and Otto and being with friends and family, and exploring, enjoying the seasons of England, and also getting stuff sorted for Papageno, because I know when I come back she's going to be beautiful. She's going to have masks.
It's going to have masks. It's amazing.
Just a matter of time.
And what's the first thing you're going to do when you get back to the UK? Or should I say, what's the first thing you're going to put in your mouth?
Nice cup of tea.
Oh.
I'm going to have a lovely cup of tea.
Oh.
And maybe some sushi. I'm going to get some sushi.
That's
Tesco finest.
sounds lovely.
It's a really good sushi. Yeah, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have a cup of tea with my family.
Nice.
And my nan's going to be like, "Where's that nice French boy that you came here last week?"
And what are you going to answer? He fell down a hole, Nana. I couldn't get him out again, so we just left him there.
I don't know, Nan. He went to France and just wait to hear from him again.
He had too many pain au chocolat and he couldn't come back, Nanny. Oh, it's nice to laugh about it, isn't it?
Oh, it is. Oh, it's like, is that blood? I feel like there's blood. No, it's good. Like Edward's, we've all gone in our different directions. Edward's really happy in France. We still talk all the time. And he's now got a wonderful life in France, working in a bio shop and helping with his homeless association. You're going and looking for your new adventure and saving up money in England, and I'll be coming back to Papageno and staying her down to Grenada, hopefully with a new crew.
Ooh! And what's been the highlight for you from the start of your journey here? Oh, it's a difficult one, isn't it?
Leela.
Leela?
Leela.
Aww.
She's the light of my life. I went to the vet the other day and to bring her, and I just started crying inside the vet's because I just looked down at her and they mentioned St. Martin, and I just thought, we've come so far, you and I. And I just started going, so yeah, I think out of everything, Leela's probably the best thing that's happened from all of this, because she loves you so much, doesn't she?
Yes,
when
she
she sees
does.
you in the morning, you've got like that unconditional love. So yeah, that's the best thing.
What's been the biggest challenge about being captain on Papageno?
I think the biggest challenge for me was when deciding to sell her and then deciding to carry on.
All right.
That was like the biggest challenge, deciding to carry on, solo, alone, single.
Oh. And ready to mingle.
I'm ready to mingle. Call me! Yeah, I think that was the biggest challenge, and also it was very hard to see Edward struggle with it, really. Yeah, he worked really hard on the boat, and we've got a lot to thank Edward for, so thank you, Edward, so much for putting all your heart into Papageno, and we're so sorry that she destroyed it.
Thank you, Edward.
Yeah, and I do look forward to seeing him again in the new year sometime when I'm good. When I'm not gonna be like, hello, I love you so much. I'll just be like, hey, sup?
What's going on?
What's going on? You okay? I'm cool. I'm great. I'm more than great. But yeah, all in all, everything's great. Still have a great friendship with Edward, and I think out of this, I think lost my engine keys. Things are going to be great, and 2019 is going to really give us some new adventures with Papageno. Everyone said that we couldn't do it, and we fucking did it, didn't we? All the naysayers.
Booyakasha!
Booyakasha to ya! That means something quite bad, doesn't it?
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Okay, we rewind. Woohoo!
Stuff you, doubters! To the doubters who said that we couldn't do it, that she was a money pit. Everything's booked in for her restoration, so...
Stick that in your pipe and smoke it!
Yeah. And to all those who supported us, thank you so much. If it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be here. And thank you for your love and encouragement, and yeah, you beautiful people.
We love you.
Now, if you'd like to come with me to a place far beyond cruise.